Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly which graphics card you have, because accuracy matters. Open Device Manager or run DXDiag and note the model. Once done, create a system restore point so you can revert if something fails. Next, visit the GPU maker's driver page and queue the correct package, match OS and bit version. Do not install third-party tools yet. Instead, save the installer to a known folder and close non-essential applications to avoid conflicts. You should remove remnants of the old driver to prevent conflicts, uninstall via Device Manager or the vendor's uninstall utility, and if you see persistent issues, reboot into safe mode and run display driver uninstaller. Once the system is clean, run the downloaded installer with administrator rights. When prompted, select Custom or Advanced options and check Clean Install. This ensures settings are reset. After installation, reboot when instructed so Windows applies kernel-level changes and device initialization happens correctly. You finish by confirming the new driver is active. Open Device Manager and the GPU control panel, verify version and settings, then run a quick benchmark or play a game to ensure performance is stable. If you notice crashes, artifacts, or lower performance, roll back through Device Manager or boot to safe mode and use the to remove the driver completely. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a second, stable driver installer on hand so you can reinstall the last working version immediately if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.